Ever wondered how you could stack cash from your couch while the world's asleep? What if I told you there are 10 real US-based remote gigs you can do at night? No fancy degree, no micromanaging boss, just you and paychecks from $8 to $250 a pop? Stick with me, because we're diving into the boring but real jobs that'll pad your wallet after dark. Hey, it's your buddy Rain on Wealth, and tonight, I'm spilling the tea on 10 legit remote jobs you can do when the moon's up. These are perfect for night owls, side hustle warriors, or anyone who wants to make extra cash without leaving their bed. Think of this as your personal night shift menu. Boring on the surface, but stacked with opportunity. Let's pump some wealth muscle. First up, Tulis International's hiring AI raters. What's that? You're basically the Simon Cowell of the internet, clicking through ads or search results to teach AI what's hot and what's a flop. Pays a smooth $14 to $15 an hour, and you set your own hours. All you need? A laptop, a smartphone, and fluent English. No cape required, just Wi-Fi. Imagine doing this while traveling, like backpacking Europe. You can sip coffee in Paris, rate ads at night, and make money to fund your next adventure. It's how you create more cash on your terms. My rule number 1, keep it simple, keep it smart. This takes zero time to learn, costs nothing to start, and the income potential's steady. Tip, take eye breaks, don't let screens win. But that's not all. If you'd rather eavesdrop than judge, this next gig's got your name on it. Ever wondered what goes down on customer service calls? Humanatic pays you $8 to $15 an hour to review recorded ones and tag them right. No live chit-chat, just you, your headphones, and some audio detective work. Picture this. Kids asleep, house quiet, you're knocking out calls and stacking cash. You can make a living turning quiet nights into extra income with this gig. My rule number 2, speed's your friend here. Learn fast, tag accurately, and watch that hourly rate climb. Tip, noise-canceling headphones. Shock your focus mode. On now, let's flip the script. Love live chats? This next one's calling your name. Mod Squad needs remote chat moderators to keep online communities humming. You'll answer chats, flag trolls, and earn $10 to $20 an hour. Work from anywhere. Your couch, a cafe, even at midnight. It's like being a digital bouncer, except you get paid instead of punched. You can make money moderating forums, setting your own hours, and building a side income that grows. My rule 3, multitasking's your muscle here. Quick fingers, sharp eyes, and you're golden. Tip, set work hours or you'll never log off. But wait, there's more. Want cash per task instead? Check this out. Respondent. IO pays you $30 to $200 per study to share your opinions on video calls or surveys. No skills, just your honest take, like getting paid to rant. Imagine doing a 30-minute study on shopping habits and pocketing $50. You can create more money by shaping products and getting paid for your thoughts. My rule 4, be real, be detailed. More studies, more cash. Tip, honesty. Chalky, more invites. Speaking of easy, ever thought about turning audio into cash? Let's roll. Rev's all about captioning and transcription. Turn audio into text for $0.30 to $1.10 per audio minute. Perfect for fast typers who thrive at night. You can save up for a family trip, like just by transcribing podcasts. It's how you make money turning quiet nights into your ticket to paradise. My rule 5, gear up. Good headphones, comfy keyboard, and you're set. Tip, invest in your setup for speed. Now let's shift gears. Love variety? This next one's a buffet of tasks. Clickworker dishes out micro-tasks, data entry, image tagging, proofreading for $5 to $20 an hour. It's like the snack bar of remote work. Grab what you want, when you want. You're basically a robot's babysitter, tagging photos, entering data, and getting paid for it. You can make a living in small, flexible bursts with this gig. My rule 6, set a task goal daily. Consistency's your cash cow. Tip, aim for 5 tasks a night. But if stability's your vibe, this next gig's got you covered. Omni Interactions hooks you up with big brands as a customer service rep. Calls, chats, $14 to $20 an hour. Night shifts, they pay extra. Imagine paying off student loans or saving for a big purchase just by working nights. You can create more money by turning late hours into your secret weapon. My rule 7, ear on, empathy up, happy customers, happy paycheck. Tip, listen like you care. Speaking of big names, let's talk furniture and funds. Wayfair's virtual support agents help customers with orders, $15 to $17 an hour, evenings wide open, solve problems, stack cash. You could even get promoted in 6 months, like many agents do. It's how you make a living by turning customer support into a career ladder. My rule 8, know the catalog, prep wins every time. Tip, study Wayfair's products. Now love testing stuff? This next one's a gold mine. User Interviews pays $30 to $200 per project to test apps and give feedback. 15 to 60 minutes done. Picture testing a fitness app for $75. You can make money shaping the future of tech while stacking cash on your terms. My rule 9, sign up everywhere. More platforms, more gigs. Tip, join multiple sites. Last but not least, flexibility meets big brands. Arise Work From Home Call Center. Arise lets you contract with names like Carnival or Intuit, $12 to $18 an hour. Your hours, your rules. Set up a tiny business entity, but they walk you through it. You can fund a family cruise or save for big goals, all while working nights. It's how you create more money living life your way. My Rule 10, train hard. Skills boost your rate. Tip, use Arise's training. Here's a bonus for my night crew. Always have a backup plan. These gigs can get competitive, so apply to a few. Don't bet it all on one horse. Bonus tip, apply to 3+ jobs. There you have it, 10 boring but real remote jobs to stack cash at night. Pause the video, drop a comment. Which one's got your name on it? I read every single one. Oh, and yes, you can make a living with these hustles, but what if you lose it all to overspending traps? Protect your cash. Watch my video on why Americans should stop spending money on unnecessary things linked below. Hit like, smash subscribe, and ring that bell. This is Rain on Wealth. Wealth isn't magic, it's muscle. Let's pump it together.